Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And now we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on this icon. Now let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now. If you'd like to add new one, just tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. All you have to do right now is simply find the language you like to use and tap on it. So let me pick something like Arabic or Assyrian, so I have to find it. And yes, here we've got the Arabic, so let's tap on it. You can choose the region. I mean, for some languages you can choose the region, so just tap on the one you like to use. Here you can choose the keyboard just by tapping. As you can see, you can add 2 of them. Let's tap on done if you are ready, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our list. So let's get back to the keyboard and check. As you can see, I hope that you've noticed that we've got 2 differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. From now on the spacebar you'll see the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the languages. So now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon you can see that I just switched to the Arabic one. Let me tap on it again, and the same situation, English and Arabic and English again. Okay, so this is how to add a keyboard, actually a keyboard language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe for some reason you do not need 2 of them. So let's enter the settings again. Let's tap on the languages and simply tap on this pencil icon. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove. In my case it will be Arabic, because I cannot speak Arabic. And simply tap on the trash bin icon right here. As you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we now can only speak and type actually in English. And as you can see, the spacebar is empty and the globe icon disappeared, so you know, we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.